This is October 2022 question paper 2022. So in this problem we have to evaluate integral x square e to the power of 2x into dx. So in integration there are two methods to solve the problems: integration by substitution method and integration by parts method. So this problem we can solve this problem by using integration by parts method, because substitution method is not applicable for this problem. So we will take integration by parts method. So the given integral, here we have x square e to the power of 2x and dx. So in integration by parts we have one general formula, integral uv dx. Here we have two variables u and v. So derivative of here we will write u into integral v dx minus integral du by dx integral v dx into dx. Here we have to identify which term is our u and which term is v, which function is u and which function is v. So here given x square is our algebraic function and e to the power of 2x is exponential function. So according to Euler method, algebraic function comes first, a for algebraic function, and this is e, this is our exponential function. So a means algebraic function, so the algebraic function is x square. So we will write u is equal to x square. E is the exponential function, so this is our second function. V is equal to e to the power of 2x. Now we will substitute this u and v in the above formula. Integral x square e power of 2x dx is equal to u. U means we will write x square. Integral v integral v means the value of v is e to the power of 2x. So in place of v we will write 2x into dx minus integral d by dx of u, means here we will write d by dx of u is x square. Again integral v is e to the power of 2x, e to the power of 2x into dx, again we will write dx. Now left hand side keep as it is, x square e to the power of 2x dx is equal to x square. We know that the integration of e power of x is e power of x, differentiation of e power of x is e power of x, and if we have integration of e to the power of ax, then we get its integration is equal to e to the power of 2ax by a, means coefficient of x comes in the denominator. So we will write e to the power of 2x, coefficient we are writing in the denominator. When we differentiate we will multiply with the coefficient. When we integrate we will divide with the coefficient of x. So it becomes e to the power of 2x by 2 minus integral derivative of x square is 2x. Here again integration of this is here I am writing e to the power of 2x by 2 into 1 time dx we are writing, because we have integrated this second term. So first integration we are keeping as it is. Now this denominator and this denominator get cancelled. Now here we get x square e to the power of 2x dx is equal to, keep this term as it is, this is x square e to the power of 2x by 2, and this is minus integral, here we have x into e to the power of dx, in e to the power of 2x into dx. Now again we have to apply the same formula. Here when we compare x and e to the power of 2x with u and v, so algebraic function comes first. So here x is our u value and e to the power of 2x is v value. So we are writing u is equal to x, v is equal to e to the power of 2x. Now apply the same formula. Here I am writing integral uv dx is equal to u into integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u, integral v dx into dx. This is our general formula. We are writing u is equal to x, v is equal to e to the power of 2x. Keep as it is. The given question is x square e to the power of 2x dx is equal to first term after integration we got x square e to the power of 2x by 2. So we will write this term as it is. X square e to the power of 2x by 2. Keep as it is. Minus sign we are putting as it is. Now we have to integrate this term. Okay. U is our x value. So we will write x d by dx of here we have to write integral v dx. V means e to the power of 2x dx minus integral d by dx of u is x into integral it is e to the power of integral e to the power of 2x into dx. Now this is x square e to the power of dx into dx is equal to x square e to the power of 2x by 2 minus x. Integration of this term, just now we have written 2x by 2 minus derivative of x is 1 minus integration of this power term is e to the power of 2x by 2. Into 1 dx. Integral x square e to the power of 2x dx is equal to x square e to the power of 2x by 2 minus x e to the power of 2x by 2, and again we have to integrate this term. Take 1 by 2 outside. Integration of e power of 2x dx. Integral x square e power of 2x dx is equal to x square e power of 2x by 2. When we open the bracket it is minus x e to the power of 2x by 2, minus into minus plus. This is 1 by 2. Again integration of this term is e power of 2x by 2 plus constant of integration is c. So the required answer is x square e to the power of 2x dx is equal to x square e to the power of 2x by 2 minus x e to the power of 2x by 2 plus e to the power of 2x by 4. 2 2s are 4 plus constant of integration c.